Today we're making a homemade chocolate cone ice cream with a crunchy chocolate shell and a creamy Oreo ice cream filling. The best part is that we're making the chocolate cone ourselves using a simple freezer trick. Start by making the cones. Take a piping bag, fill it with water and place it inside the cup so the excess piping bag hangs over the rim. Secure it with a rubber band and place it in the freezer. Prepare at least 3 of these as they will become the ice cones used to shape our chocolate shells. Prepare the Oreo ice cream filling. In a bowl, add 1 cup of whipping cream and whip it until soft peaks form. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and continue whipping until stiff peaks form. Crush a pack of Oreos, add them into the whipped cream and fold everything together. Place the mixture in the refrigerator to stay cold. Next, make the chocolate coating. Chop 200 grams of dark chocolate or 50% dark chocolate and place it in a microwave-safe bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and melt it in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring after each interval until smooth and glossy. Pour the melted chocolate onto a plate. Remove 1 frozen water cone from the freezer and roll it in the melted chocolate until fully coated. Immediately dip it into the ice-cold water. The chocolate will harden almost instantly. Use a knife to smooth the top edge for a neat finish. Dip it into the ice-cold water again, then carefully remove the ice cone from the inside. Gently shimmy or nudge the plastic piping bag out to leave behind a hollow chocolate cone. Repeat this process until you have several chocolate cones ready. Finally, transfer the chilled Oreo ice cream mixture into a piping bag and pipe it into each chocolate cone until full. Top it off with crushed Oreos and there you have it. Homemade chocolate cone ice cream with a crunchy chocolate shell and a creamy Oreo filling. This easy frozen dessert is fun to make, requires no special equipment, and tastes just like a store-bought ice cream cone. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade desserts, and let me know your favorite ice cream flavor in the comments down below.